Stop by and take a look at the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, traction control system, daytime running lights, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, auxiliary audio input. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.